guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a very simple display for your ornaments, your animal ornaments in Heartopia. So hopefully you do have this item over here. It's from the Modular Streets Festival. It is this one right here, the modular quartered balcony. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say modular. But we're going to also need four of the full walls. So here I'm just going to change the colors. You don't have to, but I want to change it into like a brown and greenish color here. And then for the glass, I'm just going to use black because you'll be able to see everything a little bit clearer. I know it doesn't look like it now, but I'm just going to place that there. Then hopefully you have a big enough puzzle. I don't have the deer one. Actually, do I have it? No. But you can use anything that you'd like. I'll just use the one that looks like it's in nature. Okay, that's too small. So I think I'm just going to use this one right here. Because the rest, what about this? Okay, it's not big enough. So I will just use this one. I think you need the extra large one. Place one like here and then the other one like up here. Then for this area over here, we're going to place the house. Hopefully you have these. Where's the other ones? I feel like there's more. I'm going to use this one. And I'm just going to place it here. If you want to, you can just color the bottom part to be similar to the floors maybe. So we'll see if we have any that matches. Okay, that's not even close. What's wrong with me? That's good enough for me. I think it needs to be a little bit brighter, but that's fine. Then we're going to add some lighting. You can use the round or square one. We're going to place it up here. Is that in the middle? What about if we just turn it sideways? I don't really like the look of it, but it's fine. We need the lighting to be there. Next, we're just going to place our ornaments. I'm just going to place the walking deer one. This is what it looks like from the front, so you might want to adjust it because it's very hard to adjust it once you've placed it. So I'm just telling you guys that now. We'll add another deer one here. And let's add a fox one. Over here, I guess. Wait. And then I kind of want to add a panda one. Okay, I really want to move this deer one, but I know it's going to be so difficult to move. Okay, I'm just going to have 3. So when you zoom in, you can see everything. Obviously, when you zoom out, you can't kind of see it. And you're just going to then place it here. And voila, that is it. Super simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!